Hey G Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool mist right here, and basically what this is a cutting board that's from the brand called FINDKING. So for those of you guys who actually remember in the past, I actually reviewed another product from this brand before, which is basically like a knife set. But this time right here, we do have a cutting board from the same exact brand. So I'm actually opening this up to show you guys what the inside looks like first. So if you can see right here, this line right here is actually pretty cool and very interesting. It said, be the king of your kitchen. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this actually looks like inside. Let me actually take it out. So definitely when you guys take it out, you can definitely see how the product is all nicely wrapped up. But let's take off all the wrappers first. Alright, so once you guys take it out, this is basically what the product looks right here. So definitely right off the bat, when you guys feel the material on here, it definitely feels like a high quality material that they use on here. I believe they use like a walnut wood material. And basically for the cutting board right here, it is reversible. So you definitely have the option for this side right here, where it actually has like the open groove option in the side right here for juice. But if you guys flip it to the other side, this actually looks like on this side right here. So basically on this side right here is like a flat board. There's nothing on here like the other side. So definitely having the reversible option on here is actually pretty cool. And definitely you can see on the side right here, and also on this side as well, they do have this little opening on the side, so that way you can put your hand inside. So just like this. So that way you can carry around much easier compared to like holding like this. I'm not sure if I can see in the front right here or not, but they do have the brand logo there as well, FINDKING. But definitely you can see from this angle right here, it is a pretty thick board. So definitely will have a good amount of support on here when you guys are cutting meat or cutting seafood or chopping stuff on here. And after you guys finish using the cutting board, it's really easy to actually clean. You can basically just use like a sponge to actually clean it. But definitely not the way how to design this part right here in the front, where it actually has a little opening on the side. So that way when you're cutting stuff with a lot of liquid, it will actually leak to the side right here instead of leaking onto the table. But that is basically everything that's on the bar right here. Now to go unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product here, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality cutting board that's reversible, that has like the same design on here as well, where it actually has an opening on this side, and the other side right here doesn't have anything. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have to one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.